Hello guys, welcome another day in Cook Your Life kitchen. As you see today I'm wearing a Cook Your Life t-shirt. Yeah, we start to have a little bit of merchandising here. It's plastic free, it's organic cotton, very ethical. All the information in the box, so if you want to support us, please Cook Your Life t-shirt. We want to start today with a protein balls, okay? That energetic ball we can find anywhere and everywhere, and I want to show you how to make that at home. Is have a protein powder, they fill you for longer and keep your hunger away. So if you want to know how to make, please come with me.